10 minutes or less, I'm going to cover everything that we need to know about an animal for this next examination. You first need to know what an animal is. And this graphic right here shows you some of the internal exchange surfaces of your typical animal. And we went over this quite extensively in class, but give me a good idea of the alimentary canal, of the circulatory system, and of the respiratory systems, typically what they are and how they look in animals. And again, typically what we're doing is we're seeing something that's going to increase the exchange surface of an animal. All of these responses are regulated by what we call a negative feedback system. This is an example here of your furnace at home and how that particularly works. The thermos that we're going to see in most mammals is the hypothalamus. You do need to understand how the hypothalamus works. Please look that up. Special tissues. You should know about all animals have these tissues. Again, we see some of these tissues in other organisms, but these are special to the animals, the multicellular animals, and specifically your vertebrates. We have epithelial, we have connective tissue. Connective tissue is special in that the vast majority of connective tissue is actually non-living. These are fibers that are made and secreted by the cells within this tissue, and that includes your tendons, your bone, and certain other tissues as well. Muscle tissue, which is really the defining tissue of animals, and it allows animals to move and to do stuff. You should be aware of the organ systems of animals and what those organ systems are. I believe there are about 11 of them. Have a good idea. Specifically for this exam, you need to know the digestive, the circulatory, and the respiratory systems, and how those particular systems work. Stages of food processing, again, give me examples and explain what's going on during ingestion, digestion, absorption, and elimination, and what parts of the body are responsible for doing this. Okay. Fungi are a little bit different, and their body plan is significant difference. Both the fungi and animals have this problem of how do we get external materials to the inside of this organism here. And what we animals basically increase the surface area of these internal surfaces or gills, etc. The fungi went the opposite, where their whole body plan is made to increase their surface area. So again, know what mushrooms are, which are basically the fruiting bodies of the mushroom. They're a very small portion of the mushroom. The vast majority of the fungus is underwater, but in the media which it's going to grow in. Know the difference between mycelium, which is just a general name for a mass of hyphae, and extracellular digestion, how it occurs in fungi, and then how it occurs in things like the cnidarians and helminthes. Again, in your laboratory, you're going to see something eat, ingest, and digest, and do all that stuff with some food. Human is an example of a typical mammal, so you should know about that. Be able to tell me why and how you can tell the difference between a carnivore, herbivore, and an omnivore, and what the differences are between those. Your fungal lifestyles, the vast majority of fungi are decomposers, but they can be parasites. They are also very important mutualistic symbionts. You should know what those particular are. This one case here shows you how they can act as the mutualistic symbionts in that they can provide some nutrients to a plant, and the plant will provide nutrients to them. Again, be able to discuss and define the difference between an herbivore and a carnivore digestive systems. And again, we're looking at basically the herbivore is going to have this very, very large blind cecum that acts as a digester. I'm not going to go actually expect you to know this right now. And so this is, again, looking at the relationship of the animals. We'll cover that a little bit later. But again, we are going to be looking at some major differences between these guys here. The Hydra does not necessarily have a circulatory system. It does have epithelial cells. Because it is very thin, typically 2 layers, we tend to not see the need for a circulatory system. The gastrovascular cavity in certain situations can act like this. They Annelids are much more complex. We have many more layers inside of there, and we also have what's called an alimentary canal. Know the parts of the canal and kind of what they do. Again, know the parts of the invertebrates and kind of what they do. And remember, these guys have what's called an open circulatory system. Chordata is a little different. Again, be aware of what all these parts are, parts of the birds, what they do. Here's an overall view of the typical human invertebrate digestive system. Be able to tell me where the enzymes are and what they do in the digestive system. Again, the major macromolecules, carbohydrate, protein, nucleic acid, and fats, and how they're doing. Again, I do want you to know about sugar content within a typical mammal, and so 90 milligrams glucose per 100 milliliters of blood. Fats are absorbed in a structure called the lacteal, but I'm not going to get into that in very much. This slide here, we did go over this a lot, and you need to take a look at something like corn and like beans, and this is how we would get a complete amino acid diet, know what essential amino acids are, and be able to describe them a little bit. There are certain vitamins, be aware of what the vitamins are. Two main classes are water soluble and fat soluble, have an idea of what they do. Minerals, there are some minerals that we need in large amounts and minerals that we need in very microscopic amounts. Calcium, phosphorus, sulfur, and potassium are kind of the major big ones that we need, and the other ones are smaller. Again, be able to describe respiration, both the act of breathing by all animals or examples of all animals, and cellular respiration. For cellular respiration, you just need to know what's going on inside the cell. And so again, this is a typical mammalian lung system. Be able to describe it and how breathing occurs. Know the difference between negative and positive pressure, and give me examples of that. And of birds, what's so special about the bird respiration? Again, there's not two trachea, even though it says it's one direction through the bird lungs. There is still tidal movement through the trachea of the bird. Okay. Again, water and air, water has less oxygen than air because again, oxygen is not that does not dissolve that very well in water. How fish get around this is using something called the countercurrent system, be able to describe that as well as the heat. And again, these two graphics right here show you what's going on is the water saturation and the blood saturation. Good essay question would be able to tell you. So if I gave you something like a picture of all these, be able to explain the gas exchange system of all these ones. Circulation is how we connect all of these kind of connections to the environment together within the body. And if we look at it here, this is looking at your tissue cells, and this is looking at the osmotic pressure, the pressure of the water that we have, the circulation, and again, be able to be aware of this. The heart does provide a pump, but there's also osmosis helps with that as well. Be able to describe the difference between an artery and a vein. Veins, V is for valve. Veins have one-way flow because of this valve, and the capillaries are within tissue beds, and they typically are 1 or 2 cell lengths away. Again, those veins and with valves also can use what's called a musculoskeletal pump, that as these blood is squeezed within these valves, they only have one way to go, and that is towards the heart. Again, be aware of the special circulation that we see in fish, frogs, and in reptiles. This slide here is very good. Again, be able to explain to me the difference between the fish, two-sided pump, the amphibians with 3, and the mammalians with 4 chambers inside of their hearts. Again, we did talk a little bit about this. We'll actually get to know this a little bit. This actually does occur in mammals as well. Okay, I'm almost done. All right. Again, be able to aware of the open circulatory system of your insects and be able to describe those a little bit more. There is no dedicated circulatory system to these particular animals, but they do have the gastrovascular cavity, which can be used to move materials around in that organism. I'm not really going to cover blood for this particular one, but again, you should be aware of what that is. The lymphatic system is very important. We'll talk about that immune system. We talk about that in the next. But the lymphatic system is also important in removing extra liquid from the tissue beds back into the circulatory system. And uh, again, know the difference between open and closed circulatory system. That is my note saying invaginated and invaginated systems. Be able to describe those a little bit. These are some of the materials that are in there. And the grass, actually, the arthropods, the insects, actually have what are called tracheal systems that are a little bit different. The pill bugs that you saw the other day actually have something very similar to gills that we'll see. And so be aware of all these, and I will see you soon.